In a world where hopium and common sense collide, starring the CryptoKeeper and BlockchainCrusader. Welcome to Debate Crypto.
Question everything, trust nothing. It's your boy BlockchainCrusader here from Debate Crypto. Guys, welcome back for another episode, Saturday night special of Just the Crusader Show. So, what we got up today are the top 5 altcoins for June. Make sure to stay tuned. Make sure you get all the info on these top 5 coins, guys. They're pretty freaking awesome. And honestly, I looked it over. Most of these top 5 altcoins or top whatever, I'm usually like, that's really just subjective or hyped up or, a paid article. But these top 5 altcoins that I looked up, they're legitimate. They are top 5 altcoins that I myself will be dollar cost averaging the whole way down if I have to. So make sure you stay tuned. If you're not in the Discord for Danger Close Alpha, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. The free mint is getting closer and closer every single day. Sneak peeks of the art is gonna be getting dropped every day that we get closer more and more. We dropped the sneak peek already of what the art actually. I'm gonna bless you guys with the sneak peek of the sneak peek, right? So give me a second here for pull it up for you guys real quick. So here it is, guys. Here's the sneak peek to the sneak peek. This is the sneak peek to the sneak peek of the free mint, guys. So this is just a small taste of what this is not completed. This still needs a lot more details that are not in this picture. So this is just, like I said, sneak peek of the sneak peeks that are coming for the free mint. So make sure you do not miss out on this free mint that's coming up in the next couple of weeks, end of this month, beginning of next month, the latest. Make sure you are in the Discord. Do not miss out on this, guys. If Goblin Town can reach 3 to 4 ETH, 7 ETH floor price with no utility, this project is nothing but utility. Then your close alpha, that's the way to go, guys. Make sure you're jumping into the Discord. We're going to be doing a lot more whitelist and giveaways, so make sure you're staying tuned. And the only way to get that information is if you're in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, you're going to miss out the information. So let's get into it, guys. Let's get into the market overwatch here of what is going on in the markets. So what is going on in the markets right now? Here we go. So as you can see, let me give this a quick little refresh. We're up 0.5% in the total market cap for cryptocurrencies today. Bitcoin is the cryptocurrency market is having a somewhat of a green day, barely 1% up, right? 0.2%, 2% on the week. Ethereum all the way at 1798, up barely 1% up in the week, barely 1% as well. So nothing's practically moved, but we're still in the green right now. BNB up 142, up back up over 300. Cardano up, not 1%, but up 20% on the week, up to 56 cents. Excuse me, guys. XRP up 0.5% as well, still at 39 cents. Solana been taking massive hits, down 54% on the month, 78% year to date. Look at all these altcoins, guys. 42%, 58%, 53%, 53, 37. This is year to date. So from January to now, that's how much they've dropped. That's not in total from the peak of the market. From the peak of the market, a lot of these altcoins have dropped a lot more. Polkadot down 67% year to date at 942 right now. Dogecoin in the top 10. I mean, guys, it is madness. Look, 78% for Avalanche. Polygon down 76%. Chronos down 69%. Near Protocol down 65%. I mean, if we're not close to a bottom, I don't know what the bottom looks like then. Chainlink down 64%. Now let's jump into some TA, guys. Let's jump into some TA. See what's going on with the charts, right? So let me show you what's going on with the chart before we jump into the top 5 altcoins for June, guys. So here we go. Where are you? The charts, baby. Here we are. So for the charts, let me enlarge this a little bit so you guys can see this better. As you can see right here, we have been in this channel, right? In this little just sideways consolidation, sideways market crab market going sideways. We tried to come up to this old support of 32, but right before we got to it, we got rejected. And that's weird, right? We didn't even get there. I wonder why we got rejected so early. Had a spinning top here, as you can see, guys. You can see a spinning top, and we came right back down with an engulfing red candle, and we've been nothing but sideways once again. But let me show you guys why we didn't even make it to 32. What is going on here? So if I zoom out a little bit, remember this is on the daily, guys. We do a regression trend here. By the way, shout out to CVO leading crypto for all these techniques I've been learning in their trading group. So make sure you join. So as you can see right here, the heart line, right, of this regression trend pretty much meets up with this. The heart line meets up right here. So that's exactly where the resistance is, right? Massive resistance. We could not hold it, and we broke back down, guys. So at the same time, we also have a volume profile right here. If you get this volume profile, we've also been respecting this point of control, which is, let me zoom in here for you guys. All right, this point of control is this red line, which is basically $29,700. And what has the price been doing? But bouncing off this line, breaking below it, coming back up. We break over it, we come back down again, and just all these wicks are right there touching this point of control, guys. So how much longer are we going to go sideways? Who knows? Eventually, we're going to run into this heart line once again, and it's either we're going to get rejected. It's almost like we're building a triangle right here between this support of 26,000 and this heart line on this regression trend. So it's only a matter of days before we hit this end, and we're going to have to figure out, we're going to be pushed down to support of 26,000, or we're going to break lower, or we're going to go up higher. So only time will tell. And when the bottom come in, nobody knows. But that's the beauty of the bear markets, guys. The beauty of, is the time to dollar cost average, is the time to get educated, is the time to keep on grinding, because don't chase green candles, right? You can make money, you can, get rich in the bull market, but you get wealthy in the bear market, because that's when you get to accumulate as much as possible for low prices. Guys, if you haven't smashed the likes, smash the likes, join the Discord, do all the things that the algorithm likes. Greatly appreciate it out here. I appreciate every single one of you coming on here on a Saturday night to come on this show to get all the info. So before we jump into the top 5 altcoins to buy in June, let's talk about Ethereum hash rate real quick. And let's talk about what is going on there with the Ethereum hash rate and what this means for Ethereum. So here we are. Let's jump on over here. And bada bing, bada boom. Ethereum hash rate hits new all-time high, RAL investors inflow network. So Glassnode Analytics Agency has reported that Ethereum's hash rate has seen another increase, rising to a new all-time high of a big-ass number that I'm not going to read. All right, Ethereum ETH mining difficulty has reached an all-time high. The previous all-time high was 15 or whatever, and now it's higher than that. So, according to a chart from Coin Wars, this is quite substantial rise since ETH hash rate surged from 1 pentahashes, holy smoke, that's a lot, to 1.2 pentahashes since Friday, June 3rd. Therefore, guys, pentahashes is massive. Search up pentahash or penta, just what that represents in numbers. That's a huge number. Therefore, Ethereum mining difficulty has also spiked, reaching another big ass number. Mining difficulty rises once in a while after an inflow of new miners who come after profits to make it harder for them to solve mining problems. At the same time, Glassnode has reported that the amount of small-sized investor wallets that hold more than 1 ETH has increased to reach a new historic peak of 1,084,700 Ethereum wallets that hold more than 1 ETH, guys. That is a number that I can read, and it is another big ass number. And these numbers are not fugazi. These numbers are actually important. So even though we are in a bear market, Ethereum is looking more and more bullish than ever. People are stacking up Ethereum. People are mining more Ethereum and getting involved with the network. So things are looking bullish for Ethereum, guys. Up next, for all the people, we've got Avalanche. And what is Avalanche doing with its TVL right now? Another thing to be looking at for bullish projects, right? What is Avalanche doing? So let's jump into that real quick here. Remember, guys, top 5 altcoins for June. We're going to be covering that real soon. Make sure you stay tuned to the end for us to cover this. It's going to be massive. It's going to, pretty good freaking news, actually. I never do these top 5 altcoin stuff because they're all usually BS, but this is actually legitimate. So Avalanche prints new record of new record in TVL. By the way, that's total value locked in network and network activity. Despite the severe correction with crypto markets witnessed in May 2022, Avalanche AVAX blockchain sees its metrics rocketing, or should I say skyrocketing. Mr. Signiki says, I was like, butchered that one. 4 all-time highs for Avalanche. Has Mr. Whatever has taken to Twitter to share some statistics about how Avalanche performed in May. Points out that Avalanche has set new records in 4 key metrics. So TVL in AVAX at all-time high, greater than 300 million, 83% over the quarter. Monthly all-time high, about 2 million in May, all-time high. Native USDC at all-time high, about 1.5 billion, plus 67% over the quarter. Unique contracts deployed at all-time high, greater than 166,000, plus 81% since May 1st. Guys, that is amazing. So even though the prices are down, the protocol and the blockchain is looking bullish as hell, and people are developing, people are locking up value into it, and it is continuing to grow. So first, the protocol sees record-breaking spike of total value locked, calculated in Avalanche tokens. The net amount of AVAX in Avalanche-based DeFi exceeded 300 million tokens, which means an 83% quarterly increase. In May 2022, Avalanche processed over 32 million transactions 1 year ago. This metric was below 1 million transactions. Then the native supply of second largest stablecoin USDC increased by 1.5 billion in equivalent. Last but not least, Avalanche set a new record in the net number of unique smart contracts deployed to its blockchain. Its quantity almost doubled in 30 days. Avalanche AVAX inches closer to surpassing Solana by net total value locked. So crazy things are happening in Avalanche, even though the prices are massively down, right? If we just jump back into the coin market cap to just check out Avalanche right now and what Avalanche has been doing, you can clearly see here that Avalanche is down 78% year to date, 67% in the last 90, 70% in the last 2 months, 58 in the last month, down to $24, guys. Down to $24. AVAX, let's see what the all-time high for AVAX was. The all-time high for AVAX was about $134. We are down to $24, 24.45. Am I telling you to buy this right now? Absolutely not. None of this is ever financial advice. But it's breaking key metrics bearish period of time when its price is at its lowest. So if you do 1 + 1 = 2, I'm just telling you it's looking very, very bullish, guys. So next piece of news here, last but not least, before we jump into the top 5 altcoins of June, let's look into Cardano breaking some new records, guys. Breaking some new records. Everybody's been hating on Cardano, but Cardano's been doing its thing. So Cardano records 369% year-to-date increase in daily on-chain transfer volumes. Cardano founder Charles Hoskin recently shared a tweet that included a coin metrics chart depicting the daily on-chain transfer volume of different blockchains, Cardano inclusive. The data indicated that Cardano saw a rise in on-chain volume of up to 369% year-to-date against the backdrop of other blockchains, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Algorand, which fell 15, 49, 79, and 82% respectively, right? So the Cardano founder, pleased with the report, trolled critics by saying that the rise in volumes was caused by spooky alpha, he teased. This guy's such a troll. This is thanks to our new ghost generator that has dramatically increased ghost transactions. We call it Spooky Alpha. As previously reported, while flaunting the increase in transactions, on the Cardano network. Hoskin jokingly stated Cardano uses ghost transactions. It is super effective. Cardano has faced significant criticism in the past, with one of the most common comparisons being to a ghost chain. So that's where the joke comes from, guys. That's where the joke comes from. Says preparations for Visa hard fork are in final lap. So according to Charles Hoskin, right? Most recent review, weekly development update preparations for the Vaso hard fork are in final mile, with the team's attention now turning to tracking weekly milestones that will guide the next steps. As stated in the report, the next major milestone is in the introduction of a new node for the Vaso, I don't know how you want to say that, upgrade, as well as the first release of the new CLI, which will contain the new Plutus capabilities. IOHK says the plan next week is to spin up a new Vaso developer testnet and collaborate closely. So they're getting closer and closer to the next upgrade, looking very good for Ethereum, for ADA. ADA's down currently at 56 cents. Guys, ADA went from 2 cents all the way to $3 plus. They did amazing work in this last bull run by releasing their smart contracts, releasing NFTs, getting some DeFi going. Next bull market, I think ADA is gonna really blast off, guys. So love the love in the chat, guys. Keep blowing up. Smash the likes if you haven't smashed the likes yet. Share out the live with your people. Make sure you're joining the Danger Close Alpha Discord, guys. Join the Discord. Do not miss on the free mint. This free mint will set you up for the bug out drop and for chapter 1. Everything's going to be happening pretty quickly here in the next couple of weeks. We're ramping up the NFT project, so do not miss any exclusive information in the Discord, any sneak peeks of the art. More and more is going to happen in the next couple of weeks, quicker and quicker. So definitely don't miss out. So now, for the grand finale of what everyone's been waiting for, what are the top 5 altcoins for June of this year? Right, here we go, guys. Here we go. Everybody, drum roll, please. Get ready, because here we come. Top 5 altcoins for June, guys. Obviously, this is never financial advice. Always do your own research. But this is what I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into, except for one on the list that I will definitely not be touching. But unfortunately, it's on the list. If you know, you know. So, number 5, right? Chainlink. But before we get into it, let's do a quick little view here. The cryptocurrency sector has seen a difficult year in 2022, right? We've come back down. We have lost over 50% of the value. Things have been dropping like crazy. But somehow there's still a top 5 cryptocurrency to buy in June. Obviously, not financial advice. Chainlink is number 5. Chainlink is a blockchain framework that allows universally connected smart contracts to be integrated. It's also a decentralized network of nodes that use oracles to deliver data from off-chain sources, very important, to on-chain smart contracts, very, very important. That's the whole purpose of Chainlink. And Chainlink's partnerships are literally with everybody. Look at the Chainlink ecosystem. It is massive, massive, massive who these people have partnered up with. They've partnered up with everybody. The network became live in 2019, allows blockchains to safely connect with events and other data streams. Stock prices, sports scores, and other data streams are examples of the type of data. Today, Link's prices are heavily discounted and reach a current price of $7. If the crypto market rebounds higher, Link's price can easily reach its next target of $14, making a 100% return. 100% only? Come on, man. If we're not making at least a 5 to 10x, it's not worth my time. But just think about it, guys. It's about $7 right now. At the all-time highs of Chainlink, they were at $55 last cycle. We understand that Chainlink is a long-term play. They have literally, partnered up with everybody. Everybody uses Chainlink. Everybody. Let's move on to number 4. Number 4, BNB coin. Binance is one of those crypto projects that doesn't need any introductions. Most crypto traders use Binance to trade. It's literally the largest exchange in the world to trade and store its cryptocurrencies. It is one of the biggest centralized exchanges with a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to choose from. The company is always on the move and adding new functionalities while making its operations while making sure its operations are intact. Their token BNB fell indeed with the crypto market. Nothing can stop from dropping when Bitcoin starts to drop. And it's currently highly discounted at around $300. When the market recovers, BNB price could easily reach the previous price of $600, making another 100% return before achieving this price. Prices have to break the 363 and the 445 price marks. Yes, BNB is literally at $300, even dropped below 300 at all-time highs of the market. Binance coin was over $600, and I believe it's only going to keep growing. Right, they're growing a whole ecosystem. They also have NFTs. They also have DeFi. They also have a bunch of things going on that all happened. Binance coin was at $30 before this last bull market. $30, and it went from 30 to 600. Last time Ethereum was at $300, it went from $300 to practically $5,000 last cycle. So could Binance coin be that next Ethereum mover, right? Of percent change? I think it could be possible. That's on my opinions. Binance coin is literally a huge player in the game. They're not going to go anywhere. And exchange coins always do very well, especially Binance coin. Obviously, do your own research, not financial advice, guys. Number 3, AVAX. We just covered some bullish metrics for AVAX, but here it is. Number 3 on the list. Avalanche is a scalability, security, and decentralization-focused blockchain technology. It went live in September of 2020. 3 major problems in the Bitcoin sector have been solved by its speed, flexibility, cost, and accessibility. That's up for debate. But nonetheless, any smart contract-enabled decentralized application, DApp, for short, that uses Avalanche can outperform its competition in terms of functionality. Avalanche is comparable to Ethereum. Yes, it is definitely trying to compete with Ethereum. It employs a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is similar to the one being used by Ethereum. AVAX price has crashed. We literally just spoke about it. 80% year to date. It's down about $21, $24 currently from $133, guys. I'm not going to beat that dead horse once again. AVAX, keep an eye on it. And unfortunately, number 2, I don't know why this is a number 2. Honestly, don't think it deserves to be number 2, because what did Ripple do what did XRP do last bull market? Nothing. It did nothing for the people. People are still waiting to make money with XRP, and they have not made jack squat with it. But whatever, it's on the freaking list, right? It's on the freaking list. A lot of people are still waiting for XRP to bounce back. No freaking shit. Bounce back up following the harsh SEC lawsuit case. The latter destroyed XRP prices, making it one of the cryptocurrencies that was never able to reach its previous all-time high price. Dun dun dun. Ripple is a project that allows users to continue to be slaves and financial slaves in the banking system. No, guys, that's not what the article says. It says a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, whatever. You guys know what XRP does and doesn't do. It's at 39 cents. If it somehow one day recovers, it can go high, I guess. Do what you want with that information. XRP is not for me. Definitely doesn't deserve to be on this list. And finally, number 1, freaking Cardano ADA. We literally just covered some bullish news about Cardano, and it's also number 1 on this list. The last cryptocurrency of the top 5 in June is Cardano. Cardano is delegated proof-of-stake blockchain that supports smart contracts similar to Ethereum. The marketing of this project propagates a scientific approach, which is what I love about Cardano. The development under Charles Hoskin is rather slow, with multiple deadlines already pushed forward. On the other hand, the Basho, I don't know how you want to say that, update should be coming soon around Q3 of 2022. This update is highly anticipated by investors and should have a positive impact on the valuation. Cardano has crashed hard to a low of 44 cents. However, price managed to pick up and should be around on their way towards 80 cents if the crypto market recovers soon. Down at 56 cents. It went all the way up to $3 when it just had started its movement with NFTs and DeFi. Next bull cycle, I'm thinking long term, right? This article is covering this news just for literally like the top for June, right? I'm thinking long term. I'm thinking in general, long term, Cardano is definitely a Chainlink, AVAX, What was the other one that was on the, obviously not XRP, not for me. Nope. Binance Coin, Chainlink, Cardano, all massive, massive projects to definitely long-term hold for the until the next bull cycle, guys. I'm not going to be buying these coins just for June. Absolutely not. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging. This is what I'm doing. Never financial advice. Do your own research. Do not go out and buy these coins just because I mentioned them in this video and went through one article with you guys. I've researched these projects. I understand these projects a lot better than what this article has just covered. So that is why I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into these projects long term to the next cycle, not just for June, long term. But that's what I'm doing, guys. That doesn't mean that's what you should be doing. Loving all the love in the chat, guys. Keep blowing it up. If you're not in the Danger Close Alpha just yet in the Discord, I don't know what you're waiting for, guys. I don't know what you're waiting for. What are you waiting for? What is going to be bigger NFT drop than this one? I mean, we don't need hype. We have utility. We have something that most NFT projects probably don't have. There's probably a lot of fugazi out there, right? We are giving you real life utility. If you're seeing the red flags around the world, you're seeing the red flags around the United States of America and seeing what is happening here, and you are worried, then your Close Alpha is for you. It's a community of like-minded individuals getting ready, getting prepared for what is eventually a big possibility of something going wrong, and can get you ready and prepared with the skills and resources that you need to handle and deal with from a natural disaster all the way to government tyranny, guys, and how to prepare yourself, how to protect yourself, how to protect your family, how to provide for your family in hard times, because hard times do seem like they're coming in the horizon. They're only getting tougher. Things are only getting more expensive. Inflation is only getting higher, and things are just getting harder and harder out there, guys. It's not getting easier, and wages are not rising to the top to help you fight inflation and keep up with inflation. So inflation's 10%, and who's getting a 10% raise out there? I'll wait. I don't think anybody's getting a 10% raise out there. So it's hard to keep up with what is happening, plus all the laws and regulations that they're trying to pass, not just in crypto alone, but in towards the Second Amendment, towards the First Amendment. All these things that are happening are very dangerous for the future of America, for the future of freedom. So if you are a freedom-loving individual and you want to be prepared, and you want to be part of a community that is working together to get prepared and support each other through these hard times, Danger Close Alpha. That's all I gotta say. Danger Close Alpha. Join the Discord. Join the movement, guys. Join the movement. So if you haven't heard it before, no one's told you today, we freaking love you here on Debate Crypto. We appreciate every single one of you guys for showing up and coming on here, smashing the likes, jumping into the Discord, sharing out the live, and just being all about Debate Crypto and Danger Close Alpha on here, guys, on a Saturday night. You guys could be anywhere in the world doing anything right now, but you guys are here. So I greatly, and so does Nick, greatly appreciate this, guys. Greatly appreciate your support. So like always, question everything, trust nothing, and until next time, like it's hot.